Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you the best new deals video at Walgreens starting next week, the 19th through the 25th of March. And I think we got a lot of really good deals. These are mostly digital deals, and I think that almost anyone can do them. As you know, the ad doesn't show us what the coupons are going to be for the next week. I am basically basing the deals off the coupons that we already have and based on what we typically get with certain products. So I do the best that I can. You can look on the Flip app, and the Flip app will show you the coupons, but the Flip app stopped showing the entire ad. So it's a little bit of a crapshoot sometimes, but we've got some really good deals. There is a Google Doc link down below in the description box so that you can plan your trips or you can take it to the store with you. We are getting 2 inserts on Sunday. We're getting a Smart Source and the Marge Unilever insert. And there is a link down below in the description box if you would like to order some inserts for the next week. But most of the deals I'm showing you here will be digital, or there is a digital alternative. So let's get into the deals. So the first deal we have is a really easy deal, perfect filler item if you're building up a transaction. The Gillette Shave Foam is buy 2, get back a $4 register reward. This is not a deals of the week deal. You're just getting back a $4 register reward. So it's going to include a lot of different price ranges for the shave gel. I'm picking the cheapest one, of course, because that's what we do here. So we're going to pick up 2 of the $3 shave foams, and then you'll pay $6, get back a $4 register reward, making the cost of them $2 for both, or $1 a piece. And if we get any type of digital coupons, then of course they would be cheaper. So next we have the Nivea body wash. This has been a deal that's been going on all month. So the Nivea body wash is spend $15, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So you would need to buy 3 of them because they're $5 a piece. We have a 4 off 2 insert coupon from the 312 save insert, as well as a $1.50 coupon from that same insert. That'll bring your total down to $9.50. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making all 3 of them $4.50. Now, if you do this deal by itself and you don't build up your transaction, then you would have to pay that $9.50 out of pocket. But you can use manufacturer register rewards to help lower your out of pocket if you have your heart set on some Nivea body wash. Now, the next deal is something I saw on Miss Jody's channel. I want to thank her for explaining this deal thoroughly, and the other people that posted it as well, where she got it from. Now, this month there's been a promotion where certain medicine items have been buy 2, get back a $5 store register reward, but there's also a Catalina promotion going on right now that is buy 2, get 5, or buy 3, get 10. And it is a manufacturer register reward, and it doesn't look like the register reward comes from the Catalina company, where they look a little bit different than the regular register rewards. So anyways, these 2 will pair together, and they do print at the same time if you get the right items. So the items that I have here on the right, you can get any one of these 3 items here. Those are printing the register rewards. I've seen some comments saying that the infant items are working too. So we're going to pick up 3 Zarbee's items. So we're going to pick up a daytime syrup for $10.99, a daily immune support for $8.79, and some children's chewable melatonin for $8.99. Now, I'm not sure what the prices are in store. They might be a little bit more. So I have 2 Zarbee's digital coupons, one for like the immune support melatonin, and then one that's for more like the daytime medicine. Then we have printables. We also have the coupons.com app where you can get more coupons. So we're going to grab these 3 items. That'll make your total $28.77. We have 2 $3 digital coupons for Zarbee's. One is for medicine and the other one is for like the immune and the melatonin items. Then you're going to use a $3 printable. If you don't have access to a printer, you can submit to the coupons.com app. That'll make your total $19.77. But you'll get back a $10 register reward and a $5 register reward. Then there's also a $10 rebate that you can submit for Zarbee's. So if you buy 3 items, you can submit for a $10 rebate. That is linked down below in the Google Doc. Or if you just get 2 items, you can submit for a $5 rebate. Anyways, for the 3 products, after the rebate and the register rewards, that would make these a $5.23 moneymaker. Now just make sure that the digitals that you're using, are attaching to your products, because sometimes when you get 2 of the same products, digitals won't come off, even though you have 2 different coupons for them and 2 different products. So try to make sure that you don't get exactly the same things so that all of your digital coupons will come off. And then of course, if you have a spend booster that's like spend 25 get 7, that's going to make for an even better deal. So super excited about this deal. So next we have the CeraVe, and if you've watched me for any amount of time, you know how much I love to get this stuff. I love it. But I do have about 6 or 7 bottles of face wash in my stockpile. So I'm going to go for this retinol face cream serum instead. But anyways, I want to thank my subscriber for sending me a DM on Instagram with a picture of the CeraVe Catalina coupon that is just advertising the promotion that's coming up for the CeraVe. So starting the 20th. So these deals are from the 19th through the 25th. So if you coupon on Sunday, you can't do the CeraVe deal. You have to wait until the 20th of March for this promotion to start. And the promotion is buy 3, get 5. There's other denominations that you can buy for a smaller Catalina. I'm sorry, I don't remember what they are. Now, before we get into the breakdown, the last time we had this promotion, I did see that the travel size face cleansers were printing the Catalina. I don't know if that'll happen again. I probably should try it out to see if it works, but I don't want to waste my 6 off of 2 digital coupon to see if that would work. If it does though, that would be a really, really good deal. Super, super cheap items. But anywho, next week the CeraVe is buy one, get one at 50% off. So I am going to pick up 2 of the retinol face cream serums. I have not tried this before, but I would like to put some retinol in my facial regimen. Then we're going to pick up 1 of the CeraVe healing ointments for $7.99. There's a 6 off 2 digital CeraVe coupon. If you still have it, you can use it. We also got insert coupons for CeraVe products. Then we're going to use a $3 off insert coupon from the 3/5 Save insert. Or if you don't have those, check CeraVe.com. They usually have $4 printable coupons available. Then I've printed from there quite a bit. So anyways, after those coupons, you're going to pay $24.75. You absolutely can use Walgreens Cash to Pay, other register rewards, whatever you want to help lower the out-of-pocket. So after you get back the $5 register reward, your final cost will be $19.47 for the 3 items. If you have a spend 25 get 7 booster, then the final cost would be $12.47 for the 3 products, which if this is something, any CeraVe product for that matter, if that's something that you regularly buy, then $12 for 3 products as opposed to $33 for 3 products is quite a bit of savings. Now, down below in the breakdown, I have another breakdown for the CeraVe baby products because those are cheaper, of course, but we have an IVC coupon for those. The digital is attaching to those, so if you want to get CeraVe baby products instead, I would definitely do that too, because the printout for the promotion for the Catalina printout type of situation doesn't exclude baby products. So if you want to get some nice baby products like, shampoo, moisturizer, ointment, lotion, whatever for babies, and CeraVe is your brand, then that's something you could do too. So that's definitely something that I would like to pick up next week. Next we have the Axe deodorant. It also includes other Axe products. This is a deal of the week, so if you do this with other deals of the week items, your register reward won't print. So you do need to do this in separate transactions. They're buy two, get back a $4 register reward. Pick up 2 of the Axe deodorant, they equal out to $7.49. We are getting a BOGO coupon in the March Unilever insert. So what will happen is these will be $14.98. That coupon will take off $7.49. You'll pay $7.49 and get back a $4 register reward, making it $3.49 for the both of them. Now, if you don't have this coupon, we might get a digital version of this. A lot of times we do. As of right now, I have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So if we don't get a BOGO digital, there's always that digital too. Now, I don't know if this will include the Axe Fine fragrance, but I've seen a lot of people, myself included, have fetch offers for the Axe Fine fragrance collection. So we'll just see. A lot is up in the air with this one, but I still think it's a good deal either way. Next is the Garnier Whole Blends. This is also a deal of the week, and this deal also includes Garnier Fructis. I picked Whole Blends because that's what I typically pick up more so than the Fructis. So they're buy two, get a $4 register reward. The Whole Blends or the Fructis will be $4 a piece. There are 3 off 2 digital coupons that we already have now. So if you want to do this deal, make sure you clip it now in case they pull the coupon. So anyways, the 2 of these will be $8. We'll use that 3 off 2 digital. We'll pay $5, then we'll get back a $4 register reward, making them 50 cents each, which is an absolute stock-up price, and I would definitely pay 50 cents a piece for this any day. So next I have a laundry scenario for you. We have a couple of different laundry promotions going on. This is one of the cheaper ones, but we have some Downy laundry care is what the ad says. Buy 4, get back a $5 register reward, and the products will be 2 for $7. I think that's a pretty good deal. I haven't seen one like that before. So we're going to pick up 2 of the Downy dryer sheets for $3.50 a piece and 2 of the Downy liquids also for $3.50 a piece. Now on one of my accounts I got $1.50 coupons off of one, and it's for Downy and Bounce sheets and for Downy liquid. So if you have those and those products that work with that coupon are included, then this would be a really good deal. You can also get a $1 printable from pggoodeveryday.com. But I will tell you what it costs for these items without those digitals in case, the products are too small for that coupon. So anyways, our total for the products will equal out to $14. After our coupons, our total will be $10. We'll get back a $5 register reward, making it $5 for the 4 products. And then if you don't have, the coupons, or if the coupons are, not the right coupons, because it's hard to say what exact sizes they're talking about because the ad doesn't show the sizes, and it only shows Downy beads for me, so it's hard to gauge. Anyways, then it would be $13 after your printable coupon, and you would pay that, and you would get back a $5 register reward, making it $8 for the 4 products, which isn't bad. And you can use Walgreens cash to pay. Now we have a couple scenarios that I have put together for you. So for the first scenario, we have very easy, pretty beginner friendly. You just would have to print a coupon out to do this to do this transaction. Using a spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So you're going to pick up 2 of the Downy sheets and 2 of the liquid softeners, and those are going to be 2 for $7. Then you're going to pick up 2 of the Whole Blends or the Fructis, whichever you prefer. That's going to make your total $22. You're going to use the $1.50 digital for the sheets, $1.50 digital for the liquid, and a $1 internet printable from PG's website. Then you're going to use a 3 off 2 digital for the Whole Blends. Then you would pay $15. Now with this exact transaction, you would pay the $15, you would not use Walgreens cash. I do have a video linked down below to show you how to build up your transaction so that you can use Walgreens cash to pay for any spend deal. But we're not doing that with this scenario. So you would pay the $15. Now you could use other register rewards that are manufacturer register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket, but you couldn't use Walgreens cash. So you'd pay the $15. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash, but then you'd also get back a $5 register reward for the Downy products and a $4 register reward for the whole blends. That would make your final cost $1. Now, like I was telling you with the Downy products, if those digitals don't align with the correct sizes, because we don't know the sizes that are included, then your total for your transaction would be $4 after everything is all said and done. So I think that is a pretty good deal, and you're getting some laundry items. So next we have a spend $50, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. This is the booster that I got, and I only got one for this coming week. I only have 3 accounts, and I only got one booster on my main account, and that's it. So I am going to pair it with a spend $40, get back $9 in Walgreens cash paper booster, and I won't be building up my transaction. So we're going to get the Zarbee's promotion. You'll get a daytime cough syrup for $10.99, a daily immune support for $8.79, and the children's chewable melatonins for $8.99. You get 2 Axe deodorants for $7.49 a piece, and 2 shave foams for $3 a piece. Now, without the caramel, the total for this transaction is like $49.75. I just threw in the caramel. You can put in whatever filler you would like, but that's like the cheapest filler I can think of off the top of my head. But you might be able to find some really good clearance for under $1 to add into your transaction. I didn't want to add in another promotion because I was so close to the $50. So if you add in one of those caramels, your total will be $50.08. You're going to use your 2 Zarbee digitals and a $3 printable Zarbee's coupon. Then you're going to use a buy one get one free coupon from the March Unilever insert. I hope we get a digital for that one though too. Then that's all you're going to be able to use. So you would pay $33.59. You would get back $19 in Walgreens cash for your boosters, a $5 register reward and a $10 register reward for the Zarbees, a $4 register reward for the Axe, and a $4 register reward for the Gillette. You would also submit your receipt to the Zarbee's website, and then your final total would be free and an $18.41 moneymaker. I really, really hope I can do this deal because that is incredibly huge of a moneymaker. I didn't think it would be that big of a moneymaker, but I thought it would be close with the boosters, but we were getting the other items too. So I think this is a very good deal. Now, like I said, this transaction is not built up like you would if you were using Walgreens cash to pay. You would also have to use the contactless method of payment if you were building up your transaction because we are using a paper booster. I won't be doing that this coming week. I just don't have enough to do that. And you could use manufacturer register rewards to help lower your cost too. So anyways, I think this is a very good scenario. I was going to say promotion. So definitely don't be closed off to getting Zarbee's next week. So that is everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. I'll do the best I can to answer them. And then let me know what your plan is for next week. I'd love to hear what you would like to get. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you guys Sunday. Bye.